This course that we are running right now covers first aid skills that include the patient assessment system, trauma, injuries like head injuries, spine management, wound management. Then we cover environmental emergencies like altitude, heat, hypothermia, bites and stings. And then we talk about medical topics like cardiac-related emergencies, respiratory, anaphylaxis. And then we do also a lot of hands-on skills in these courses where we learn, we demo, and then we practice where we have simulations. And actually students get to do practice patient assessments on each other, and we are assessing them on that.
In this course, I'm learning invaluable knowledge and skills and tools on how to avoid problems in the outdoors and how to respond to them properly and efficiently when they do arise. I wanted to take this course because I work as a backpacking guide and a mountain biking coach, and it's really valuable to have skills like this when you're taking care of clients and athletes in an outdoor situation.
I'm a solo hiker, so very recently I was hiking along the islands of Costco Bay in Portland, Maine, but I did not know how to deal with medical emergencies. But now that I'm trained well how to deal with different kind of emergency situations, I will be able to hike solo more, and I will also be able to help others when they are in need.
I see this kind of helping out in making me more employable in the outdoor industry and being able to keep my options open.